Hi guys, we're here cooking live with you in Outer Banks olive oil, and I'm drinking some bubbly because, you know.
Because it's getting warm outside.
It's getting warm, it's getting nice, so, you know, why not, right?
Why not?
Mm-hmm. So tonight we have 2 dips for you that we're going to do using our olive oils, so cilantro and roasted onion, our new Sicilian Neccarella, and
nice.
our butter olive oil. So if you've got those already in your stash, you'll be able to make these recipes very, very easily. So Phil's going to do everything I said.
Is that like a new thing for us?
It's like instructive on what we're doing. So the first thing we're going to make is a ricotta cilantro onion dip. So we're using we're actually using all 3 of the oils that I talked about just a minute ago.
Let's do it.
So we're starting with our ricotta. So it says 1 pound, that's a 15-ounce thing, so it's close enough. And we're hopeful, we don't have a food processor, so let's just go with our Ninja, and we'll just see what happens. So
you have a lot of confidence in me putting that into there.
Right, yeah. You might even take the. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it works.
It's working.
It's gonna work.
We'll see. It's gonna work. We'll see.
And
tonight we're also sharing a coupon code with you, so stay tuned for that, and then also giving you a chance to win a $100 gift certificate. So watch us live, and you will be able to possibly win and definitely get a coupon code. So.
All right, so we got ricotta.
We got ricotta in there. So next up is our Parmesan cheese. So 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese.
3/4 of a cup already measured out.
Our lemon zest.
You picked this up at the store earlier, right?
Yes,
awesome.
I did. Lemon zest. Zest the lemon for me, please. And 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. So that is.
Right.
So you can use that lemon. So we're just putting that all in. Again, this is the ricotta and cilantro and onion dip.
How much of this should I do?
That's good. With a teaspoon. That looks good.
Okay.
I think that looks good. Okay. 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice.
Okay.
That's good. And then.
3 tablespoons?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot. Maybe I should have a bowl, maybe? I don't know. Or I'm going to do it lowercase style?
Yeah, you're going to do it my style.
Okay.
Where it looks like it's 3 tablespoons.
There's 1.
That's the way we do it.
Okay.
That's the way I cook. I don't know about you. All right. And then, do we have 3 yet? No.
No, we're on 2.
Okay.
Those. I'm going to hold that for you. Nobody saw me touch that.
And then we're going to do a garlic clove. Use our fancy peppered chef.
Okay, somebody's making a mess here.
Okay, that looks good. Just go with that.
Boom.
All right. Then we have, we're going to use our cilantro and roasted onion. So you do the garlic.
Okay, garlic press.
In there, and then we're doing a 1/4 cup of the cilantro and roasted onion.
If you don't have the garlic press, you can get your fingers all garlicky just by chopping it.
Ooh, here I come.
Go for
There
it.
we go. Okay.
Good job.
Right in there. I love this cilantro roasted onion. Like, you can do so many things with it. It really makes a very delicious salad dressing too. You could mix it with the raspberry dark. Put a little like honey in there, do a little bit of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, makes a really nice vinaigrette. So that's something that you can do with that one really pretty easily.
Nice.
Okay, so now we're going to be chopping up some chives, parsley, and mint.
How much chives?
Just do a bunch. So, so really a 1/4 cup of all of those together. So if you want me to do some, I can do some too. What do you want me to do? The mint?
Yeah, I'll do the mint.
Do some mint.
So I'll do some chives here.
So we're gonna have to make some minty drinks later. We got all this really good looking mint here.
There's some mint juleps going on.
All right. So chop up some mint. We got mint, chives, and parsley. And then we're gonna toss.
Chives drop it in.
Oh yeah, hold on. We need to stir. We need to blend all that up first.
We will.
No, blend it first.
Oh, blend it now?
Yeah, blend it. Blend it now, and then we're gonna add
And then blend it?
the, yeah.
Okay. So,
Then we're gonna put that in there and then stir in the herbs.
got it.
So we got a little ahead of ourselves, so.
Yeah, you think that.
It's gonna be a little green, but you know, whatever.
You're not gonna be able to hear us for a second, so talk amongst
Okay,
yourselves.
talk amongst yourselves. Okay, so then scrape that all into your bowl.
Awesome.
I'm gonna turn on this pan back here.
Here. I'm gonna pull this little guy out of there. Get him out of the way.
So we've got our mint,
There we go.
and then this is our thyme.
Ah. Awesome. Alright, so scrape this into the bowl.
Yep, scrape it into the bowl. You might need to do some more.
Some more chives since I
Actually, we're not doing thymes.
pureed them a bit. Ooh, that's looking good. It smells great.
Yeah, did you already do some parsley? No.
I did not do any parsley.
Okay,
No.
so I'll do the parsley. We got parsley, we got mint.
Alright. I think we're good.
Yep, so you can
scraping.
show them that, what that little mixture looks like.
That back there. Alright.
So just ricotta and our olive
There we
oil,
go.
lemon zest,
Okay.
garlic.
Good stuff.
Yeah, so then we're just chopping up all of our herbs, which we're
Awesome.
going to put right up on top.
Just pop them right on top.
Yep,
What do you need me to?
do some more chives because they
Yeah.
kind of got mixed in. So.
Yeah, that's alright. Now we got some chivy flavor going on.
So, and you can add tarragon too. You probably add whatever herbs, obviously, that you want, but there were no, hair cedar was out.
Could you spice it up maybe a little bit too?
We will,
Oh,
yeah,
we're gonna.
we're gonna. Those should really read the recipes before we do the
Instructions and husbands, you know.
All right, so grab that, yeah.
There we go. Top
All
on
right,
top.
so then we're just gonna stir in
There you go.
these
Fold
and
it. Fold it.
fold it. Yeah, fold it. And then salt and pepper.
Okay, gotcha. There's pepper.
Okay.
Salt.
Salt. Okay,
Beauty.
there we go.
Sip your wine.
Good, good. Oh yeah. Take a drink break, everyone. There we go. Okay. So we've got our great little mixture here of herbs,
Great.
ricotta. So now we've got our,
Keep it going. You get that.
yep, I've already got it going. We're gonna put some of our butter, olive oil, and brush
Give it
it
a brush.
on our little baguettes, and we're gonna grill them.
Nice. Looking good.
So you can just brush this right, and this is dairy free, so you can. It's a proprietary one, so we can't tell you exactly how, but it tastes exactly like butter without being butter, which is really, really good for you because you're getting like an olive oil, and you're getting healthy fats instead of really bad fats for you. All right, so I'm gonna take that over there, Phil.
Yep.
So we're gonna just
Take
do those
these
on the
over.
grill pan.
Go. Get these over.
Over like moderately high heat and char them and then flip them like once. Those will be great. You can also, use this bread right with your dip, or like do grilled vegetables and use this dip as well. So you've got lots of different options for this like one dip. So, and then like Phil mentioned, if you want to spice it up, we'll do some like
And a little more.
red pepper flakes right on top. And then we're gonna do a drizzle of our Sicilian extra virgin olive oil. This is Nicarella. This is brand new, just on the website this week. So you can check it out if you wanna try a new Italian olive oil. And then I'm just going to drizzle it. Nocella.
It's the first time we've ever had that.
Yep, it's the first time you've ever had this one. So there we go. Here, I'll put it back here so you can kind of see it. So that's our first dip. And then Phil's doing up some just grilling some little, you can put them in the oven too, whatever, or use grilled vegetables, and then this can be a dip for you. So great as we're coming to like the summer months and you want to do like an easy, like just little get together. Hopefully we can start like seeing more people, and then you can try some of these yummy dips. So, and I know everyone's like anticipating and waiting for a coupon code. Before I give you that, I want to tell you how you can win a $100 gift certificate. So over the next month, going through the month of April, if you comment on our video, and you can say anything you want. You can say your favorite oil, you can say Laura and Phil are the best, or you can just say Laura's the best, or
I wouldn't say that.
or you can say like hi, or you know, whatever you want. And if you do that, then we will give you an entry into our drawing for our $100 gift certificate. If you share the video with your friends, then we will give you an extra drawing. So you have 2 chances on each video to be in the drawing, and then we will be doing these videos every Tuesday for the next through the month of April, and we will have the drawing at the end of April. So lots of chances. So, and then I'm going to share the coupon code with you right after we do this next dip, which is our garlic and herb olive oil dip. So these are using lots of a lot of our olive oils and just a lot of fresh herbs, just very easy. So, are we ready for the next one?
Yep.
Just let that one go.
1 or 2 minutes on that, and then we're good to go on that.
So pull over another little bowl. And you might want to use that. Do you need another cutting board?
I can give a little bit.
Okay. So we've got 2 more garlic cloves. There. Garlic cloves, and then we've got capers too. So, I need to drain them, so I'm going to go off camera.
Okay. Look at that. I'm surprised she didn't make me do that. Usually I'm the one that does all the draining and the hard work. She gets the flashy stuff. You having troubles over there?
No, get the garlic
Draining?
out.
Okay. Garlic, we're going to go ahead and mince some garlic out.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
In that bowl. And then here's 2 tablespoons of capers.
Cool.
You need to cut too.
Awesome. There we go.
Just do them right in this bowl.
Okay. Ooh.
So you just kind of want to finely mince the garlic, finely mince the capers, add them to the bowl. So this is 2 cloves of garlic. And then, do I need to do the other one?
Yeah, you did 2 of them?
Huh?
You did 2 of them?
Yeah, 2 garlic cloves. So. I swear this pampered chef, I'm not a pampered chef rep, but like pampered chef thing. The garlic press is like the best invention of the world. But anyway, okay. All right, so 2 garlic cloves. I'll have Phil mince up those. And then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. And then 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. But we don't have fresh thyme, so we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon.
Our time garden
Dried.
didn't come in.
Yeah, there was no time. So, sorry.
We ran out
No
of
time and there's no Terran. So we're going to add those directly to this little mix here.
Here we go. Awesome. There you go. Beautiful.
All right, and then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of our grated Parmesan. So just go.
It's fresh Parmesan there.
Looks good. All right. Season with salt and pepper. Do that.
My job.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then I've got my. So now I'm gonna get all these herbs mixed in.
Cool. Good.
And we're gonna put it on this plate with our plain olive oil drizzled over top.
Awesome. Colorado. First time we've ever had it. getting used to saying.
All right, so just scoop it up on your plate.
Ooh, that's looking good.
Yeah.
Okay. We grab our bread from over.
So you've still got your bread. And then we're just going to drizzle our olive oil, the plain extra virgin, right on top. So it says a half a cup. So you really want to like soak it.
Yeah. You can never use too much of our olive oil.
Actually, you can't. You might need a bigger bottle than this.
True. That's bad marketing for us.
All
to use
right,
one
look
more.
at that. Delicious.
That looks
Okay,
good.
yeah, so
All right.
put both of these right here.
Awesome. There you go.
We've got our,
So we're going to spread that on.
yeah, you want to do that?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
A knife might be useful.
Yeah. We're really prepared here today. We have a lot of ingredients and a lot of pieces. So I know everyone is anticipating and waiting for their coupon code. So this coupon code is going to be good through tomorrow. So through the end of the day tomorrow. So you have to use it immediately. So the coupon code will give you 10% off your online purchase. And get your pens ready and write it down.
Yep.
The code that you put in online is 7XF, like Frank, J, like John, U, like,
You.
no, that's why.
Why?
You like Uggs. Okay. And then 7. So 7XFJU7. And that will give you 10% off of your purchase right now and
Right.
through the end of the month, which is tomorrow.
Ooh.
So you gonna try this?
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Looks really good.
Yeah,
Looks really good.
it's beautiful.
Yeah. Cheers.
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 Mm.
Oh, that's really good.
Oh, I know.
That's really delicious. Are you gonna try the other one?
I am. We should probably not both eat at the same time while we're on camera.
I know.
Bad
I
for
should have ate
speaking,
one.
But
I should have eaten. This is really good. Okay, I'll put it down. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the other one. I'm gonna take like half of it.
Hmm.
Just kind of dip it.
scoop it on there.
Yeah. Well, this looks really good.
I know. Maybe we're not going to make dinner later. Maybe we're just going to do this.
Yeah.
And Loxley can just do whatever she's going to do. This is yummy. Ooh, I like that.
So,
Mm.
great appetizers right before dinner. Great start. 2 different dips. Check us out online. Use your coupon code. And also don't forget to comment
And share.
on the video. You'll be entered for a $100 gift certificate. And also share and you'll be entered in extra time. So thank you guys for joining us.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
See you next week.
All right. See you
See you
next
soon.
Tuesday. Bye.
Bye.